What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm going to be sharing with you my wash day routine. We're just going to jump right in, and I decided to take my twists out because I just wanted to get to my scalp a little bit easier, and being under the water stream and letting that water saturate my hair while my hair is out is a lot easier, I find, and I can separate and find any knots and tangles really well. I can get to my scalp really well. It's just really nice to know that my hair is like fully saturated, which is really important in order for products to actually work. So that's what I'm doing here, just saturating my hair, massaging my scalp a little bit. As you can see, it feels really good. That's what the face is. And so my hair is nice and saturated with water, and I'm ready to add shampoo. If you want to see what product I use, I do have a video on that as well, and I will include the link in the description or somewhere in the video for you to check that out. I love making sure that my scalp is nice and clean, not overly clean to where it's stripped, but clean to where there's no buildup. So I'm scrubbing really well just to make sure that I'm removing as much buildup as possible. Lots of shrinkage going on here, as you can see, but it's totally normal, so I'm fine with it. And if you're someone who experiences a lot of shrinkage, I just want to reassure you that it's totally normal. There's nothing wrong with your hair. I think it's actually really beautiful and it should be embraced. Unfortunately, I know that it's not something that gets shown a lot or celebrated a lot, but it's normal, so I roll with it. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other half of my hair, get it nice and saturated, and add that shampoo, get it in my eyes, rinse it out. And this is like the best thing, to just have that water running down on my head, feeling it. It just feels really nice. So no product on my hair here, but I'm going to use some conditioner to further remove any knots or tangles. And once I'm done with that, I rinse it out and I apply my deep conditioner, which is by TGIN. This is one of my favorite deep conditioners, and I try to make sure my hair is well saturated with that. And I typically leave it on for about 30 minutes and cover my hair with a plastic bag to encourage the conditioner to just penetrate my strands a little bit better. So I'm about to do that, and after 30 minutes I am ready to rinse it out. So as you can see, my hair has shrunk a lot, almost like over half of its actual length. So just making sure that the product is rinsed out really well, there's no leftovers. And something I recently started doing was using oil in the shower after I'm done all the steps, just to help further seal in that moisture. I just find that it has really helped keep my hair moisturized, and then rinsing with cool water. And that's pretty much it. That's my whole wash day routine. Please comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.